Yeah, fun. I'm in the lightning position. That was the scariest shit I've ever been near. I don't know if I turned the video off. That was pretty fucking scary. I'm still a little fucking scared. Let me turn this. That storm right there. There's stuff out there. That storm just went by me. I think I got one of the crashes and lightning. I'm in the lightning stance right now. Holy cow, man. It was right on top of me. Definitely the scariest thing. And then look over there, we got sunshine skies.